In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to blur a specific part of a video in Clipchamp. Whether it's for privacy reasons or simply for creative effect, adding a blur to a particular section of your video can be incredibly useful. So, let's dive right into it. First things first, open up your web browser and type in Clipchamp in the search bar. Once you find the website, go ahead and click on it to get started. If you already have an account, simply log in. If not, you'll need to create one. It's a straightforward process that takes just a few moments, and you'll be set to begin. Now, once you're inside Clipchamp, you have the option to either create a new video or open an existing project. Choose the route that best suits your current needs. If you're starting fresh, click on the New Project button, and if you're continuing something you've already begun, locate your project from your library. With your project open, it's time to add your video to the timeline. This is where you'll perform all your edits. Click on the Add Media button, select your file, and import it into Clipchamp. Then, drag and drop your video onto the timeline to get things rolling. Next, focus your attention on the video clip you've just added. You'll want to duplicate this clip to create a layer for the blur effect. To do this, click once on the clip to select it. On the floating toolbar, you'll see an icon that looks like two overlapping rectangles. That's the duplicate icon. Click on it. Alternatively, you can use the shortcut commands by pressing Ctrl+C to copy and Ctrl+V to paste on Windows. This will add a duplicated version of your clip right above the original on the timeline. Once duplication is complete, drag the duplicated clip so that it's placed directly above the original clip on the timeline. This positioning is essential for the blur effect to work correctly. Now, make sure the top clip is selected. Navigate over to the Property panel on the right and click on the Effects tab. Here, you'll need to scroll through the available effects until you find the blur effect. Go ahead and apply it to the top clip, which will initially cause the entire clip to become blurred. Use the slider to adjust the strength of the blur to your liking. With the blurred clip still highlighted, look for the crop tool in the floating toolbar and click it. You'll now see cropping handles around the video. Drag these handles to shape a box precisely around the part of the video you want to blur, such as a face or perhaps a license plate. Once your crop box neatly surrounds the desired area, hit Done to finalize the cropping. This action will ensure that the rest of the top blurred video becomes transparent, leaving only the specified section blurred. And there you have it, a perfectly blurred section in your video using Clipchamp. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more useful tutorials.